Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Yacht-Master, reference 16628 in yellow gold. This is an A serial number from 1999 with an X serial on its clasp, also corresponding to 1999. The Yacht-Master debuted as a posh counterpart to the Submariner back in 1992, and from the beginning it featured a thinner case, richer materials, and a different aesthetic, even as it retains an air de famille with its much older sibling. The timepiece here is full yellow gold, and it is approximately 170 grams in mass. It is 40 millimeters in diameter, 11.3 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip, just the case. 47.3 millimeters from end link to end link. It is broad at 54.7 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We'll throw this watch on my wrist, peel back my glove a little bit so you can see my wrist. My wrist is 16 centimeters in circumference, and you can see that the hallmark of the Yacht-Master has always been that it wears quite a bit thinner than a sub, so no issues wearing this with a tight dress cuff. The end links of the Oyster bracelet, though, whether it's on a Yacht-Master or a Yacht-Master 2, always quite broad, extending the watch meaningfully across the wrist. As a result, I could recommend this watch for a wrist as small as 15 centimeters circumference, but no smaller. And then we'll take a look at the bracelet. By this point, we have solid end links and solid center links because this was a luxury model. It was somewhat ahead of the remainder of the Rolex sports watches in that regard, but it does still have a stamped clasp. Taking a look at the individual links, you can see they're in good shape. They feature both polish and satin. They taper towards the clasp. There is a conforming end link. Removable links are fixed in place using screws. You can see that well. We have a series of drillings in the clasp, so you can re-anchor the spring bar that holds the bracelet in place. You can move it in and out to fine-tune the fit. You can see that all the marks remain quite crisp and clear. Take a look at the interior of the clasp now. And you can see it's a 78768B. It has a X serial code on the back, which indicates 1999, and you can see all of the marks internally remain very sharp and distinct. We have a screwed-in case back, and we have a Rolex triplock crown in gold. You know that because it has 3 dots, but the center one is the largest. 100 meters water resistant, and we have the bezel that's used for timing, not of dives because it's bidirectional, but presumably the countdown to the start of a match within a regatta, which is a boat race. And so you are the master of a yacht timing the countdown to the start. It's bidirectional, and unlike a lot of bidirectional bezels, it's very finely calibrated with 120 click action. You can feel the detent. The bezel is solid gold, and you can see it's a combination of media blast and raised and relieved numerals and indices. We have yellow gold for the dial indices, as well as the date frame in the hands. The idea is it will never tarnish or oxidize. We also have white mother of pearl here and a beautiful cut of it with sapphire markers at 6, 9, and 12, and then the remainder are brilliant cut diamonds. We have hacking and quick set for setting the date and setting the watch to the second. You can see that we've got plenty of luminescence, but only on the hands. Inside, caliber 3135, bidirectional automatic winding, 4 hertz beat rate, 31 joules, 48-hour power reserve, hacking, quick set, 5-position adjusted, COSC certified Swiss chronometer. It has an overcoil hairspring for consistent timekeeping in any position with respect to gravity. And it has a full balance bridge and a free-sprung balance. Those features make for more shock-resistant movement, but with the free-sprung balance also allowing for more precise adjustment. So if you love this posh cousin to the Submariner, and you want the feel of solid gold on your wrist, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.
Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail retail warranty but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.